Hey friends, welcome to Knowledge Carrier. Trust me, you are about to hear something absolutely mind blowing. Ever heard of a temple that challenges science every single day? Well, today we are diving into the mysteries of Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha. And honestly, you will be left speechless. You know what's interesting? Every day, the flag atop the Jagannath temple flies in the opposite direction of the wind. Yup, against the wind. And guess what? There's more every evening. A priest climbs that 214-foot temple barefoot without safety gear just to replace the flag. Imagine that no ropes, no cranes, just pure faith and fearlessness. Gives you goosebumps, doesn't it? Hold on, there's more. Now, picture this, a 200-foot temple in bright sunlight, but no shadow. I mean, what? The Jagannath temple casts no shadow, no matter the time of the day. Try wrapping your head around that. Is it divine geometry, sacred science, or something beyond explanation? That's the beauty of it. All right, food lovers, here's the part that will make your jaw drop. The kitchen inside Jagannath Temple. It's the biggest in the world. And guess what? The food is cooked in reverse order. 7 earthen pots stacked over each other. Fire at the bottom, but the topmost pot cooks first. Wait, what? How? Even gravity seems confused here. And not just that. Whether 5,000 or 50,000 devotees visit, the food is always enough, never wasted. Magical, right? That's not cooking, that's cosmic coordination. Now, here's something deeply spiritual. Every 12 to 19 years, the temple performs the sacred ritual of Navakalevira, where the old idols are replaced with new ones. But here is the twist. It happens in total darkness. Priests are blindfolded, their hands wrapped in cloth, no lights, no one speaks, and still the energy from one idol is transferred flawlessly to another. It's hard to believe, but it is true. Some things just can't be measured, only felt. So, you see, friends, Jagannath Temple isn't just a monument, it's a place where science bows before faith, where every stone whispers stories, every ritual defies logic, and every visit feels like touching the divine. Have you ever been to Puri or dreamt of going someday? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your experience. And hey, follow Knowledge Carrier for more stories where mystery meets history and facts feel like magic. This is Neelima Kapoor signing off with love, because this is just the beginning.